How you doing, folks? Welcome back. Gonna do another little painting today with that spin pot. I really liked what happened with that gold one I did, so I'm gonna try and do something similar to that. Keep it simple with just a couple of passes and then try and stop myself from letting it go and letting it get too silly. But I thought today we'd try some gold and rose gold. So two chambers will be gold, 2 chambers will be rose gold. I'll just have the opposing chambers the same color and we'll see if it works or not. So let's get some rose gold in here first. So we've got this stuff here. We'll put some in this pot. That should do. Some in here. And we'll put some of this gold in the other 2 pots here. So, oh, this is full, so this is going to be messy. You can get out. One. And 2. Right, that's fairly even. So I'll go over here, rip this tape off, and we'll get this thing traveling across the canvas a couple of times, and then I'll catch it. Actually, before I start, we'll grab this as well. Have this on standby. So I've already put some tension on the cord. Going to spin it clockwise and let's see what happens. So here goes nothing. 1, 2, and we'll let it go a couple more times. 1 more, and we're going to catch it. There we go. Come off there, you cheeky bugger. Come on. No, it's not going to cooperate. Anyway, oh well. You see that. There we go. Sit that there and let that drain out. Put this up here. Quickly clean my hand off. And we'll give you guys a little look-see. I really dig it. It's just silly squiggles, but I don't know, there's something about it. Definitely something about it that I like. Let's get you guys in for a closer look. Here's the first panel. And the second panel. So I really like this chaotic, squiggly, spinny stuff. It's just so much fun. It's kind of like a mirror image, isn't it? I really like that. So yes, we'll call this one it's not a disaster piece. It's oh, and I also used it, instead of spray paint, I painted those with a, what was it called? Lamp black. And I think I'll be using it more for these styles of paintings because it's a really deep black. I like it. So I just want to say thank you for coming and checking out the weirdness yet again. You folks are awesome. I'll see you all next time.